Hello, today we're doing the 2x2 hill cipher. For this, you should know, or on the reference sheet, the section that has, the section that has this chart should be useful to you. And your class 2 calculator, scientific calculator, you should also use here. Or class 1, it doesn't really matter, class 1 or 2. These hill ciphers usually take a while, so I'm just gonna do the first few because the rest is self-explanatory from there. You get a keyword, which is 4 letters, and you get the ciphertext. So, like all keywords, or like most keywords, you have to match it up. So what I do first is split them into so on, and then we focus our attention on the keyword. So the keyword, it's typed like boom, 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 like just how like hill is here. Usually it will be given to you in letter form. So this is where the chart comes handy. We are going to take the key, which is say key is equal to 7, 11, 8, 11. And then we have to find its inverse for it to be useful. And the formula for the key inverse in this context is AD minus BC times D negative B negative C A. So a matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. So that is useful for us. First, let's find this. This is called the determinant, I believe. And take A, which is 7 times D, which is 11, minus 8, 11. So 77 minus 88 is negative 11. And you always do mod 26. So you either add or subtract 26 until it's greater than 0 and less, or greater than or equal to 0 and less than 26. We want it to be, so I'm going to write that down, 26. So if we add 26 here, 26, we get 15, that's a determinant. And here we just switch it up. So these two swap, and these two become negative. So we have, determinant inverse. 11, 7, negative 11, which we know mod 26 is 15, and negative 8. Negative 8 plus 26 is 18, so there we go. And we have to multiply it by the determinant inverse. And how you find that is this formula. Determinant times determinant inverse is 1 mod 26. And we know determinant inverse is 15, or determinant is 15, determinant inverse. So let's just do things. Let's just see, 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 115, 130, 145, 160, 175. It is going anywhere. Sorry, 175, 190, 205. You know what, just find something that ends in, if you just keep multiplying 61, find the multiples. If something ends in 1 or 6, then you should check it. See here, 286. Wait. But I'm just gonna search it up for the sake of time. Okay. It is 7. Let's see, 15 times 7 times 15 times 7. Let's see, 15 times, oh my days. It's 105. Right, 105 is 1 more than 104, which is a multiple of 26. So that means d negative 1 is equal to 7. And now we can find 7, 11, 15, 18, 7, which is equal to 77. 7 times 18. 126. Of course, you have to all do mod 26. So I would just do minus 26, minus 26, minus 26 on your calculator. Which is 25. 5. We already know that's 1. Earlier. 26. I'd also recommending learning some multiples of 26, like 130, 260, and stuff like that, so you can do subtraction faster. And 49 minus 26 is 23. There we have it. This is our key inverse. This is what sets it apart from 3 by 3. 3 by 3, it gives you the key inverse. So I would say 2 by 2 is probably harder for the amount of points worth. So now that we have the key, we can start actually solving. And we do this by multiplying the key by these two. So say we have TF, right? It'd be TF, which is 19, and I believe 5. Let's see, yeah, 5. So let me do 19, 5 times, or actually I'll write the key first. 25, 22, 23 times 19, 5. Let me multiply. So what happens here is first, this number gets multiplied by this number. Next, this number gets multiplied by this number. And that adds together. So we get 25 times 19, which is 475, plus 22 times 5, 110, and then we have this number, wait, and then we forget this row, then do this number times this number, and this number times this number. 1 times 19 is 19. And 23 times 5 is 115. Now we add those together. 10. The first number is 585. We do 585 mod 26, which would be like 260 minus 260. It's much faster than division in my opinion, if you don't have like a specific mod function. Minus 26, minus 26. Yeah, minus 26, minus 26. 13. So we have 13. Then 19 plus 15 plus 115. Is 134. Minus 130 is 4. And 13 is, I forgot, I think it might be M. And then 4 is E. Wait. NMNOP? I forgot how that goes. LMN. Okay, no, it is not. It is LMNO. Oh yeah, this is N. I believe. That's N. You know, I should rewrite that at this point. N, E. And then you keep going, right? This, I want to show all my work, so it took a while, but I would, in a real event competition, I would do more like 25, 22, 123. And then write the small ones to each other, so X is 23, and P is, I don't know, I forgot, I'm just gonna write P. And then solve that all on the calculator, so I would take this number times this number, remember it, keep saying it out loud, right? So I go 47, 475, 475, 475. As I multiply the blue numbers to get 110, so 475, 475, I get 110. Add 475, which I remember because I keep saying it out loud. And then mod 26. And then I would find what it equals. And then do this, the same thing for this. Find what that equals. Write it down. And then go on to the next N, which is 12. Well, these aren't 13 and 4. I actually have no idea what they are. We have 12. And, wait, no, if 13 and 12. And then I do the same thing. Boom, 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 boom. And then get the letters, plop them in there, and which, I don't know if that's right or not, but yeah. Keep going like this, and you'll get it eventually. And since hills are always even, they might not have enough spaces. So whenever you see 25 or a Z at the end, it's not because you did something wrong. It's just this is the filler space letter for hills. So that is really all you need to know. This one comes. You just need to have crazy practice, and that's about it. No, last tip: don't do this one before your other ciphers. They're probably easier, and well, not easier. They just take less time. This was 2x2 hill cipher. Thank you.